They say that buying a home is probably the single largest investment you'll ever make. And if you're building one, it's probably the most stressful. Today's well-informed homeowners are looking for newer, more efficient, and more responsible ways to build and maintain their home. Let's face it, what we're really looking for is our dream home. A place that's safe for our families, comfortable, quiet, energy efficient, and environmentally friendly, but at the same time allowing for flexibility of design and lower ongoing maintenance costs. Picture yourself living in a home that can offer you all this. Now, isn't this your dream home? A home like this could change the way you live. The good news is that these homes exist. They're not just a dream. They're very real. In fact, you could say they're as solid as concrete. All of these homes have been built using insulated concrete forms, or ICFs. Since ancient times, people have relied on the properties of stone, masonry, and concrete to protect them from natural and man-made perils. ICF technology brings those time-tested materials into the world of modern construction. Building homes using ICFs has become increasingly popular since the early 1990s. Since then, ICF technology has evolved into a superior building product. Other building products simply cannot compete on the same level when you compare all the benefits of a concrete home. Benjamin Franklin said, "The way to save money is not to spend it." Insulation performance is measured in R value. R value is a measure of thermal resistance, or how well a material resists heat loss or gain. The higher the R value, the better the product's resistance. Expanded polystyrene, which is used in manufacturing ICFs and other insulation products, typically has a high R value. Additionally, the concrete walls of an ICF home have a high thermal mass, which buffers the interior of a home from extremes of outdoor temperatures. Without help from your heating or cooling systems, your home will stay warmer in the winter and cooler in the summer. ICF homes have reduced air infiltration due to the continuous air barriers provided by the foam insulation and the concrete. The result is significantly less dust, pollen, and other air pollutants. This means more living comfort for the homeowner. Combining the high R value of expanded polystyrene with the benefits of concrete and the reduction in air infiltration results in homes with documented energy savings of up to 70%. In addition, it also saves the homeowner money by allowing the installation of smaller, less costly heating and cooling equipment. This alone can save thousands of dollars in home building. Trains, planes, neighbors, there's a lot of outside noises that can disturb the tranquility that your home should provide for you. In sound transmission tests, ICF walls and floors allow less than a third of the sound to pass through than ordinary wood-framed walls filled with fiberglass insulation. One of the first things that impress owners of ICF homes is how quiet they are inside. Even if you live close to a busy street where cars and buses pass by all day, the sound doesn't penetrate. If you happen to live in an area prone to hurricanes, tornadoes, or earthquakes, it just makes sense to build with ICFs. Think of these pieces of wood as flying debris in a tornado. Reinforced concrete, however, has a fighting chance, and concrete and ICF homes have been left standing in areas leveled by total devastation. Anyone who has had a house fire knows how quickly you can lose it all. With wood-framed homes, you literally have seconds to get out with your lives. Because the expanded polystyrene foam is treated with a fire retardant, ICF walls can withstand intense flames for up to 4 hours. This is considerably longer than wood-framed walls. Even insurance companies are recognizing the value of concrete homes, and many are offering a discount to ICF homeowners. Local and national government programs exist to reimburse or provide grants if you're building an energy-efficient home. Neither EPS nor concrete will ever mold or rot, and concrete can be exposed to the elements for centuries without any ill effects. And living in areas where the weather is often wet can take its toll on your house. When houses are subjected to a lot of dampness, it translates to mold, mildew, and in many instances, rot. You can spend thousands of dollars fixing up areas where the walls rot out. With an ICF house, those problems are a thing of the past. Building with ICFs are considerably more healthy, both for the homeowners and the environment as well. ICF homes require less resources for heating and cooling, so that obviously has a positive impact on the environment. The air quality inside your home is improved by using ICF. No toxins are released into the air from ICF, and ICF walls are airtight and reduce infiltration, creating a mold-free environment and eliminate drafts and cold spots. Another advantage of an ICF building is that there is no food source for insects and other small animals. That means that only you live in your home as intended. Energy efficiency, disaster resistance, environmentally responsible, low maintenance, peace and tranquility with a proven and successful product. It seems that your dream house may be more of a reality than you once